Earthquakes. Earthquakes are a very interesting natural phenomenon, especially for us living in California. We have a lot of faults running through our state. So it is important to not only know about earthquakes, but also have some safety precautions in mind.
Boom, boom, boom.
Huge chunks of the Earth's crust are constantly moving away from each other, towards each other, and sideways against each other. These movements are sometimes sudden, causing earthquakes. 1 million earthquakes occur every year, causing damage to buildings, bridges, and roads. Now let's see how an earthquake actually does cause damage to buildings. We are simulating some buildings, a nice little city scene over here. Let's see what happens. So depending on how high it is on the Richter scale, you're either going to feel it or you're not.
Destruction can occur.
The Richter scale describes the energy release given by the earthquake. And the scale measurements are logarithmic, meaning that a reading of 5 on the scale is 10 times stronger than a reading of 4. Here's a reading of 2. Often felt, but only causes minor damage. That's 5. Slight damage to structures. 6.1 to 6.9, and they cause much damage. See, since it's on a logarithmic scale, you see how big of a difference there is from 6 to 5, even though it's 1 point on the Richter scale. This is the conclusion of earthquakes, a natural phenomenon.